Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is a grammar skill grade 5 book is in my hand, and today we will start learning about abstract noun. We will not complete this chapter in this lecture. This is half of the lecture about abstract noun, and rest of the part we will complete in next uploading. So let's start learning about abstract noun, and before doing this exercise I want to repeat the definition of abstract noun. Abstract noun are the name of ideas, our abilities, our qualities, our actions and states, right? Because we cannot see them, we cannot touch them, so we can say these all are name of different ideas. Now check the word box. In word box we have some abstract noun here. Abstract noun which are given in the word box are kindness, joy, relief, gratitude, hope and despair. Now I will read that exercise for you. The exercise is in an informal letter form. So you can see that date is on the right side above the above the remaining letter, right? In on right hand side you can see the date here, right? So let's start. Dear Mr. Brown, please accept my dash for the help you gave me yesterday when I was lost. Your dash in helping me was certainly appreciated. I had started to lose all dash of locating my parents until you came along. What a dash it was to hear your friendly voice. You can imagine my dash when I realized I was alone in a strange city, and my dash when you found my mother and father for me. Your grateful new friend, Peter. Now I think some of the words abstract noun you have guessed where what will come. Now let's start to fill them. Please accept my gratitude, we say, right? So in first one blank you must fill here gratitude. Here gratitude means thankfulness, thanks. So please accept my gratitude for the help you gave me yesterday when I was lost. Your dash in helping me. Your kindness, right? When someone someone helps us, he is kind with us, right? So in second one we will write here your kindness in helping me was certainly appreciated. I started to lose all dash. Usually what we lose in this situation, we lose our hopes. So in third one we will write hope. I had started to lose all hope of locating my parents until you came along. What a dash it was. And whenever someone called us in when we are in any type of danger or problem, then we feel a type of relief. So in this sentence, in number 4 blank, we will write here what a relief it was. That person felt, Peter felt relieved, right? It was to hear your friendly voice. You can imagine my dash, what despair, right? And when we are in any problem, we are despair usually. So Peter is saying you can imagine my despair, hopelessness, right? Desperation mean hopelessness. You can imagine my despair when I realized I was alone in a strange city, and my and despair would be in fifth one, and now I am on sixth one. I was alone in a strange city, and my dash when you found my mother and father for me. In sixth one, obviously joy is left, so we will write here joy, your grateful new friend Peter. So you will revise this exercise again and again, and you will fill that after listening to this lecture and watching this video. You will try to fill the exercise yourself. Now we will move further, and exercise B and C you can see on the next page, and you will find them, I think, very easy, especially when you have read about abstract noun. I am giving you one link here in the description box. You can visit that link for learning more about abstract noun. Then you will attempt these all exercises to solve. Right? So exercise B and C. I feel this thing that these both of these exercises are very easy for you to solve. So what you will do, you will solve these exercises yourself. Now let's move to the next exercise. This is exercise D on page number 3, I think. And question is here, change the words in brackets into noun to complete the sentences. Right? Because doing all these exercises, you must have read about abstract noun. So you will read in that lecture about formation of abstract noun. How do we form abstract noun? So I am giving you here just idea of filling these blanks. So let's start. The boy could not understand dash. Now in the bracket a word is given, multiply, and you first have to change that word into abstract noun, and then you will write in the blank. I will give here just idea what suffix you will add here to uh, change the given word multiply into abstract noun. Mean what you will add with multiply to change into abstract noun. I will give you idea for that. Just for example, what came here, tion, and we pronounced that shun, right? This is a suffix, and shun it pronounced when we have in end of any word. So multiply is given here. So what you will do, you will add shun with multiply, but not multiplication. We don't say that. We say multiplication. In mathematics you have read, listened and read that, you have heard and read that word. So multiply. Whenever we form a new word with the help of a given word, usually whenever we have y in end, we have to remove that y, or we have to change that y into I. Now if you remember for, rule for forming plural, right? Whenever we have y, for example country, so country, if you want to change into plural, what you do, you change that y into I, then you add something here to form plural for that. So the same rule we usually follow for all words. So multiply here, so you will change that y into I first, then you will add some more letter here, and then shun you will add. So multiply, and one word ended on shun we know about multiply, and that is multiplication. So the boy could not understand, we will write here multiplication and dash, and what is written in the bracket, divide. Now I think you can guess what would be the word. In mathematics we have multiplication, in mathematics we have divide, and you will add here shun here again, division, right? That is shun and that is Jan, right? There is a little difference between pronunciation of both Shan and Jan, right? So the boy could not understand multiplication and division. In spite of his teacher's dash. Now we have this time in the bracket explain. Now this is easy for you. So what we will write here, in spite of his teacher's explanation, new word you are forming, and usually I will explain that point later after completing this exercise. So this time just explanation, and extra dash, and dash. For this dash we have word instruct, easy one. You will add here shun again, and instruction you will say after school. It was not because of dash. Now in dash we have the word lazy, again ended on y, so we will change first of all this y into I, and that then what we will add here, this time we will add here ness. So laziness. It was not because of laziness he wanted his teachers dash approve. That would be, I think, a bit difficult for you, so I am completing it for you. We will add here al to create abstract noun for approve. So that would be, he wanted his teachers approval, and he always completed his dash. Correct. Now correct. For correct you have one more word usually we use in the class, and that is correction. So again you will add shun here to create an abstract noun. But he seemed to lack the dash. Confident is written here. So for confident you have one more word heard, confidence. Seem to lack the confidence to find the dash. Solve, and you have one word solution. Now you have noticed one thing, that question was to create an abstract noun and fill in the blanks, right? With the help of the given words within the bracket you had to form an abstract noun. Now you have noticed one thing here, that most of the word which I created here ended on shun, jun, ness, ends. So these are what we call them, these are suffixes. Suffixes mean ending of abstract noun. Now you have learned here one rule. If someone says to you to create some abstract noun, then that abstract noun may be ended on tion, shun, sion, shun, ness, ness, ence, ends, or al. So these are some of the endings of abstract noun, right? Now you can form some abstract noun easily. So